So here I have the WeHwupe Bed Assist Rail. I was going over the top questions I was seeing. I'm going to answer those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So those questions were, would this fit in like a to-go or carry-on type bag if you're traveling? The second question I saw is, does this work if you don't have a box spring underneath your mattress? Then the third question was, how wide is this actually? So I went and measured it for you. So I'll let you know. So I answer all those questions for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. So for that first question, can this fit in like a airplane carry-on or suitcase type bag? So yes, you can take it apart. There's really only 4 pieces to it, and once you take them apart, it's pretty small and compact. It would fit even in like a backpack or a bigger purse. So you could definitely take this with you while you're traveling. And now for the second question, does this work without a box spring? So yes, this would work without a box spring if you have a bed frame that's like a platform type bed frame. All you really need is something underneath your mattress that's going to give it a base, because it sits between your mattress and then that base, and that's what holds it on there. So as long as you have something that's underneath your mattress that's going to give it a nice base that it can sit on, it can work without a box spring. And then for the third question, how wide is this? So I did measure it for you. It's a foot across, so 12 inches across. So it's not, huge, but it's a nice compact handle that's really sturdy. I can put all my weight on it. I'm 200 pounds right now. I'm pulling down as hard as I can. This thing isn't going anywhere. But overall, this was super easy to put together. It took me, honestly, maybe 5 minutes to assemble it and install it on my bed. So if you're struggling getting in and out of bed, or maybe a loved one is struggling to exit or enter their bed, this is a really convenient product that's going to make that process just a whole lot more easy. So it gets 2 thumbs up from me.